Are you ready to meet the AI that shines above all in money-making capability? In the ever-shifting realm of online income, a mystery tool stands tall. Stay tuned as we unravel the veil concealing one such potent tool that charts the course to substantial earnings. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to be updated on more innovative methods right here on Pivot Online. Step 1. Setting up Etsy shop and listings. Creating your Etsy shop and listings for your printable wall art quotes is an essential first step towards showcasing and selling your designs. To initiate this process, start by signing up for an Etsy seller account if you haven't already done so. Once you've created an account, proceed to set up your shop by providing all the necessary details and defining your shop's branding elements. This includes configuring your shop name, policies, banner, and profile picture to ensure a compelling presentation. The next vital aspect is creating product listings within your Etsy shop. Add your meticulously designed printables as individual products, ensuring each listing is thorough and appealing. Incorporate mock-up images that vividly portray how the designs will appear when displayed. Craft engaging descriptions that highlight the unique features of each printable and set competitive pricing that reflects their value. An important feature to maximize the appeal of your digital creations is to enable digital downloads for your Etsy products. This step involves uploading the printable files in formats like PDF, SVG, PNG, or JPEG to the Etsy platform. Step 2. Quote generation with mystery tool. Here's the moment you've been waiting for. Unveiling the mystery tool, Kittl. This tool opens the door to a world of AI-powered creativity. Begin your journey by signing up for Kittl or accessing its free version, which grants you entry into its suite of potent AI tools designed to ignite your creative spark. One of Kittl's standout features is its AI quote generator, a versatile tool primed for crafting quotes tailored to an array of niches such as love, business, inspirational themes, and more. Whether seeking humorous, inspirational, or other emotional tones, Kittl's AI empowers you to tailor the quotes precisely to your desired style. Leverage the customization options available within Kittl's AI quote generator to fine-tune the length, tone, and thematic elements of the quotes. This customization ensures that the quotes align seamlessly with your envisioned style, enabling you to curate a collection that speaks directly to your audience. With Kittl's AI tools at your disposal, explore the depths of creative expression, crafting quotes that resonate with your audience and elevate your wall art designs to captivating heights within the competitive landscape. Step 3. Designing printables. Embarking on the design phase of your printable wall art quotes involves delving into Kittl's versatile toolkit to bring your creative vision to life. Begin by initiating a new project within Kittl, opting for an A4-sized canvas. This canvas size provides an optimal space to craft your printable wall art with clarity and precision. Next, explore Kittl's array of text layout templates to select a layout that harmonizes with your quotes. Browse through the available options, seeking a layout that complements the essence and style of your chosen quotes. The goal is to find a template that maximizes the impact of your message. Once you've chosen a suitable text layout, infuse it with the quotes generated earlier. Replace the placeholder text within the template with your curated quotes, ensuring a seamless integration. Customize the text further by adjusting font sizes, styles, and positioning to achieve an aesthetically pleasing design that highlights the essence of your quotes. For an added artistic touch, explore Kittl's library of design elements. Consider incorporating subtle yet impactful icons or graphics that align with the theme of your quotes. These elements serve to enhance the visual appeal of your printables, elevating them from mere text to visually captivating works of art. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our Pivot Online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Step 4. Exploring Etsy. To optimize your earnings, consider embarking on market research within Etsy. This is pivotal for understanding the landscape of printable wall art quotes. Dive deep into the platform, meticulously analyzing successful Etsy shops that excel in this niche. Scrutinize these thriving establishments to discern prevailing trends, preferred themes, and design styles that captivate customers' interests. Identify popular quotes and themes that resonate deeply within the market, enabling you to gain insights into customer preferences. This thorough analysis serves as a compass, guiding your creative decisions and allowing you to tailor your designs to align with the current demands and preferences within the Etsy marketplace. Step 5. Integrating research. Utilize the insights gleaned from your thorough Etsy market research to craft designs that resonate with your target audience. Tailor your designs based on the identified trends, preferred themes, and popular quotes discovered during your analysis. Incorporate elements and styles that align with customer preferences, ensuring your designs are visually captivating and emotionally appealing. By infusing your creations with the essence of what customers are seeking, you increase the likelihood of creating printable wall art quotes that stand out and resonate deeply with potential buyers, setting the stage for success within the competitive landscape of Etsy. Step 6. Mockup integration. In your quest to showcase your printable wall art quotes effectively, Kittl offers a unique feature that elevates your presentation game: mockup integration. Kittl's array of mockup templates serves as a bridge between your digital designs and real-world settings, allowing potential customers to envision your creations in context. To begin, access Kittl's mockup feature, which provides a spectrum of templates tailored for presenting wall art quotes in diverse settings. Navigate through Kittl's collection of mockup templates, considering options that complement the essence and style of your crafted designs. Choose mockup templates designed for posters or frames that harmonize with your printable design's dimensions and aesthetics. The goal is to select mockups that accentuate the appeal of your wall art quotes, enhancing their visual impact. Once you've identified suitable mockup templates, it's time to integrate your designs seamlessly. Utilize Kittl's functionality to apply your meticulously crafted printable designs onto the chosen mockup templates. This integration process transforms your digital designs into visual representations, placing them within realistic settings such as living rooms, office spaces, or gallery walls. Step 7. Marketing. Marketing your Etsy shop and listings is pivotal for expanding your reach and attracting potential customers to your printable wall art quotes. Leveraging diverse marketing strategies amplifies your shop's visibility and engagement within the competitive digital landscape. Strategy number 1. Social media engagement. Craft compelling content across various social media platforms to showcase your wall art quotes. Share high-quality images of your designs, behind-the-scenes glimpses of your creative process, customer testimonials, or engaging videos that resonate with your audience. Engaging content encourages interaction and attracts potential buyers to explore your Etsy shop. Strategy number 2. Targeted advertising. Consider targeted ad campaigns to reach specific audiences interested in your niche. Platforms like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or Google ads allow precise targeting based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Tailor your ad content to highlight the uniqueness of your designs and encourage clicks that lead potential buyers directly to your Etsy listings. Strategy number 3. Influencer collaborations. Collaborating with influencers aligned with your brand can significantly expand your shop's exposure. Identify influencers within your niche or those whose audience matches your target market. Collaborations can involve sponsored posts, product reviews, or influencer-curated collections featuring your wall art quotes. Influencers can effectively showcase your designs to their followers, driving traffic and potential sales to your Etsy shop. Strategy number 4. Search engine optimization. Apart from social media, employ additional promotion tactics like SEO optimization within your Etsy shop. Optimize your listings with relevant keywords, titles, and tags to enhance visibility within Etsy's search results. Utilize email newsletters to connect with previous buyers, showcasing new designs or special promotions. Paid advertising on platforms beyond social media, such as relevant blogs or websites, can also attract potential buyers to your shop. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.